If you are getting 100% disk usage in Task Manager, then you can easily resolve this error by watching this video till the end. Your Windows 10 Task Manager shows 100% disk usage, then something is causing your hard drive to overwork. I am going to give you all the solutions that you can try out. So first thing you need to do, disable Superfetch. So first of all, you need to open command prompt, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Now type net.exe space stop space superfetch and press enter. If it does not work, you need to type net.exe stop sysmain and press enter. The next step is to update your device driver. You can go to device manager and update all your drivers. Make sure to check all the corrected system files as well and remove them one by one. Make sure to perform disk check. Again, open command prompt as an administrator. You need to type in chkdsk.exe space /f space /r and press or enter. So now you need to reset virtual memory. You can go to the system settings. For this, open control panel, click on system, click on advanced system settings, click on this advanced tab. Now click on this settings option. Now click on this advanced, click on change, check this option, click on custom and enter the size 2922 24576 and click on OK, and that's it. Now open window plus R and type temp and delete all these temporary files. If you have any antivirus on your system, so disable that antivirus system temporarily to check whether it is causing because of antivirus or not. After following these steps, make sure to restart your PC. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button friends and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.